Hello everyone, here is a Chinese black tea. It not only is a drink but also can be applied in hand tags, especially in the jeans hand tag. Gin has a history of over 100 years, which is also the most popular product nowadays. Here is the black tea from the black tea. And now I want to introduce a new technology which called tea dye. Tea dye can print the hand text into a nostalgic style. And now I would put this into the black tea. Here are the production of tea dye. After tea dye, they became nostalgic with the flavor of black tea. And if you want to know more, welcome to contact us. Bye bye.